Om Shahana Bhavatu Shahano Hunaktu Shahubirjam Karuvavahai Tejashina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yes, now Sridevi, now you can present.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm sharing the screen. The homework which you gave, the question number 2. Sir, is it visible?
160 Sridevi.
Okay, sir.
Yes, your screen is visible. Bah,
Yes, sir.
good. It's the name Sri Ram Sham Jodu Madhu Jodu. Acha, initially Ram Sham Jodu Madhu. You have written Madhu Jodu.
Sir, and I've given the letter also. The name of the variable like that only because I forgot the digits what you gave. And sir, I have two things to ask here. One is that, sir, when are we writing that student equal to data dot frame?
Calculate the central tendency. Have you done mean, median,
yes,
mode?
yes. Sir, while finding out the
Mode,
mode,
mode not possible. Mode they
okay,
will not
sir.
allow mode.
Okay. So that's
The
why, sir,
mean
it is coming
median,
numeric.
mean median, standard deviation, but very good.
Okay,
Now you can write down the, please you write.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Sir, here only I'll write.
Yeah, you write. Later.
Okay.
Minus 110.58. Enter. Okay, so that is the mean difference. You got it?
Okay, sir.
So each individual score is deviated from the mean.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, I understood. Okay, sir.
Yes, this is very easy.
Yes, I was thinking of something else. I mean, something very
no,
big
it is
to
very
find
simple.
out the mean difference and all. And
Very
sir,
simple.
one question, sir, if you allow, can I ask?
Sure.
Okay, sir, regarding this one, sir, can you see the arrowhead, sir, here? So data dot frame.
Data dot frame.
Sir, what is the meaning of this data dot frame? I mean, are we framing the data within the parenthesis where we are considering both this one name and the letter? That is the meaning that we are framing the data. I mean, we are bringing it in one frame.
No, here you can do one thing. It's okay. You do one thing. You write down student.
Okay. Where, sir? Here? In this from
student. Okay. Dollar. Then name. NAME name. Enter. Okay. So that is your data frame. The data frame is student. And that data frame, there are two variables. One is the name, another one is the letter. So now you can write down student $letter.
Okay, sir. So we are fixing it to only name. That's why we are using this dollar sign, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
student dollar.
Student dollar name, and we will get only the letter, only the names.
Now you can write down student dollar letter.
Okay, sir.
Student dollar. We have
I've
written
written
4.
Four.
Yes. So student is the data frame, and in this data frame, 2 elements are there. One is the name, another one is the letter.
Okay, sir.
Enter. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So now you can calculate, just you can write down mean, bracket, student dollar letter. Bracket close. Enter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because the letter is 3.35544, so you are getting average. So
Average.
now you calculate the mean difference.
Sir, mean difference I will write as student
Yeah.
dollar student dollar letter minus 4.2. Shall I write directly?
4.2. Enter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is clear to all of you. Hello, dear students. It is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now you can write down the plot, PLOT plot. Bracket, student dollar letter. Bracket close, enter. Okay. So now you will get the data. First data is 3, na?
First is 3, sir.
So now you can find out the data. 3, 5, 5, 4, 4. Have you seen the data? So now you can write down, you just click the upward arrow. You click upward arrow. Okay, then letter, then comma, within bracket. No. লেটারটা মুছে দাও, ব্র্যাকেটটা মুছে দাও, ব্র্যাকেটটা মুছে দাও, ব্যাস, কমা, type, TYPE equal to L within double inverted comma L. Bracket close. Enter. Got it?
So, line plot, naki sir eta?
It's a line plot. So instead of the L, you can write down O.
So আবার fresh করে লিখবো? Shall I write a fresh?
না না, upward arrow press করলেই তো হতো।
আচ্ছা। Oh, okay, okay, sir. I'm learning so many things.
Instead of
Correct.
L, you write down O.
Okay, sir.
Then enter. You got it? What is the difference between the earlier one? Earlier one,
Connecting points are becoming visible
connecting
now.
points
Sir.
are not there, but now connecting points are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can. Dear students, do you have any question?
Sir, can you explain connecting points?
Sridevi, please you explain.
Yes, sir. See, if you look at the graph, which is on your right hand side, there are straight lines, right? And this
Yes.
lines, yes, these straight lines are joined by this circles, small circles. Okay, so these are called the connecting points. Okay, so this straight line, it starts with this point head. This, it is ending here. There is another point head, and then another point head. So these are called the connecting points. In the earlier graph, it was a continuous line without any point heads being shown on the graph. Okay, so if you type O, then this circle will come, which will indicate that this is the ending point, or maybe the starting point. This is the end point, which is again the starting point for this straight line and ending point of this straight line. So these are all the connecting points.
Okay, okay. Actually, I didn't show it earlier.
Yeah, this will help you in understanding the coordinates of the graph. Okay, see, x-axis and y-axis, this graph is easier to understand. In x-axis, see, if you extrapolate it backward, you can see the coordinate over here. Here also, if you extrapolate it towards the right hand side, you can identify the xy coordinates. Okay, but in the previous one, it would be a little bit difficult. So this becomes easier.
Okay, so only when we write that plot student all letter type 1, type O, then only we will get these connecting
Yeah.
points.
If you write only one, then these points will not come. Or if you type O within that quotation,
It is not one, it is L.
It is L. Yes, sir. It is L. Then we will get simple line plot. And if you write O, then you will get all these connecting points, which will help you in determining the points here, the coordinates, x, y.
Okay. So, sir, this means that one L and O, these are like codes or programs.
Hello, Rupali, are you
Hello?
saying something?
Yes, sir. I'm saying that this type L, type O, these are like codes or programs.
Yeah, codes in the program.
Okay.
That is. Okay. Now stop the screen sharing.
Yes, sir.
Raju, is it clear to you? Hello, Raju. Madhusudan, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, আমি একটু বাইরে আছি স্যার। হ্যালো স্যার, আমি একটু বাইরে আছি স্যার।
Okay.
কন্টিনিউ শুনছি স্যার।
Okay, thank you. Madhusudan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I share my screen to show?
Yes,
how
definitely.
Okay, sir. Sir, so basically this is the code I've written. So I've named letter as core. So this is the coding.
No, you lie. You click the temple. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You click the temple. There is one temple, na, below.
Sir, no.
Then you will get the graph.
Yes, sir. Actually.
No. Go back.
Sir,
Yeah.
here is the graph.
Now you get the. Oh yes.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So according to my data, I was not using 3544, but I was using the one which you gave 100, 105. So is this right?
Because you have written that in that way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is up to you. In which way you have written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the issue.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Why the noise is coming, I do not know from where the noise is coming.
So it was coming yesterday also.
Okay. Now you can write down Sridevi. Hello, Sridevi.
Yes, sir.
And now you please show your, please you share your screen.
Right, sir. Sharing, sir. Sir, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now you write down X. X. Any vector name, okay. Equal
Yes,
to empty cars. Empty cars. M.
Oh,
M
equal
for
to
mango.
Okay, sir. MP, sir, P.
T for Tata.
Oh,
Then cars, CARS.
okay, sir.
Then enter. Now you write down only small x. Enter. Okay. So that is the total data. This is the inbuilt data of R. Okay. Now you want to know, that is, what are the variables are here. Then what will be your command? You can write down str bracket x, bracket close, enter. Got it? So you have received total 32 observations for 11 variables. Okay. And you will find that is all the variables are numeric. Okay. But there are two variables which is nominal totally. So that is the factor. For example, VS 0011 and AM 111, like that. Okay. Is it clear? Hello. So these data, these two data, VS and AM, these two data are categorical data. Okay. But MPG, this is your metric data. DISP, metric data. Okay. Hello, Sridevi, is it clear?
Yes, sir. But sir, why is it happening that we are getting a mixture of metric and non-metric data?
Huh?
Sir, why are we getting a mixture of metric and categorical data?
Yeah, some data are metric, some data are categorical.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
So when it is categorical, so that may be considered as the independent variable.
Okay, sir. Yes. Sir.
When you want to examine the t-test, then what is the assumption? Assumption is that the independent variable will be categorical in nature and the dependent variable will be metric. Is it clear? So let's see how many 0 and how many 1 is there. So you can write down table, TABLE, bracket, VS, bracket close, enter. Oh, sorry, table X dollar VS. X is the data frame, bracket X dollar,
Sir, shall I put bracket over here?
bracket, bracket,
Okay, sir.
X dollar VS, bracket, enter. So you will get that is 0.18. Okay, and 1 is 14. Is it clear to all of you or any question? Okay. So now
Sir,
you
it
can
is
write
clear.
down. Yes, any question? Okay.
Sir, it is clear.
Clear. Okay. So this is your categorical data. And MPG your metric data. Okay. Then we can check the metric data only. So you can write down plot, 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 bracket X dollar MPG, bracket close, enter. So this is the data distribution. So how do you interpret this data? Data interpretation is very, very important for any statistician. How do you interpret this data? Can you tell me what is this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30? What is this? Hello.
Sir.
Balloon. আমি তো ফর্মটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, ফেসবুকে তো আছে, ওখান থেকে একটু নিয়ে নিন না। ধরো আমি যখন ক্লাসে রয়েছি, তুমি আমাকে একটা ফোন, তুমি আমাকে একটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করো এই নাম্বারে, আমি পরে করে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। ওকে, so how do you interpret this data? This is the number of observation. Okay, 0, 5, 10, 15, this is the observation. Now you will find that is before 20. Okay, before 20, the distribution of the data, that is within the range of 10 to 25. Clear? But after 20, or you can say after 20 or after 15, you can say, that is the data range from maybe 12 to 30 and 30 above. Okay, is it clear to all of you, or any question?
Sir, actually, I didn't understand MPG. What is the significance of MPG?
MPG, mile per gallon, because these are the characteristics of car, automobile car. Okay, and these are the attributes of the car. So instead of the MPG, you can think of the academic achievement. Okay, as you like. Here I am telling you that is, this is the distribution. So now you can write down mean. Please you write mean bracket X dollar MPG. Bracket close, enter. Yeah, so now you will get that is the 20 is the mean. Okay, and there is a change after 20. Okay, is it clear, or any question? Okay, you can write down T dot test. Acha, sorry. Before that, before something more. Actually. Okay, you remove it. Remove. Then what is your target? Target that if you want to use the mean difference, or if you want to compute mean difference by using the parametric statistics. Okay, so your function will be to understand your dependent variable. So you can write down HIST, 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 bracket X dollar MPG. Enter. So this is your data. Okay. And whether it follows the normal distribution or not, we do not know. We can tell only that is from 10 to 25, the distribution from 10 to 25. It maintains relatively normality, but not after 25. Am I right? Then you can write down QQ norm. QQ NORM bracket X dollar MPG bracket close. Enter. চলো গন্ডগোল পা কিছু দেখো কি করেছো x ডলারটাকে করনি
Okay,
x
sir.
ডলার হবে
ওটা sir, I've written I think 4. I'll do it again. X norm bracket X dollar.
bracket close. Enter. Now you got it. Just to check, after 25, there is the scores are scattered, very much scattered. Okay. Now you write down QQ line. QQ line, LINE, bracket X dollar MPG. Bracket close. Enter. Okay. So you will find that is some data are on the line and some data are away from the line. So if all the data are on the line, that means your distribution will be normal, or distribution is normal. Okay. But current data shows that distribution is not normal. Okay.
Sir, is it positively skewed distribution?
Yeah. Distribution is skewed. So this is the statistical modeling with the graphical models to understand the normality, and only the statistical, then you can write down Shapiro.test. You write Shapiro, SHAS.
So shall I write it over?
Yeah, you write it. Shapiro, SHA.
Sir, okay, sir.
S for sugar. H for house.
Sir,
Shapiro, Shapiro.
dot.
.test, test. Bracket. X dollar MPG. Done it now?
Yes, sir.
So it is okay. So it is called basically Shapiro-Wilk normality test. Okay. Now when the p-value is greater than 0.05, the data is normal. Okay. So currently your data is normal based upon the Shapiro-Wilk test. Okay. So besides the graphical distribution, there is some statistical test to assess the normality. And if the p-value is below 0.05, then the data significantly deviate from a normal distribution. But currently the data is normal. Okay. Any question? So when the data is normal, then we can do some analysis. We can do the t-test. Okay. So you write box plot, BOXPLOT. Bracket X dollar MPG. Bracket close. Enter. Okay. So this is the data. And we find there is no outlier. Since there is no outlier, we can consider this as useful for t-test. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? This is called the Box-Whisker plot. Okay, there is another approach. You can write down 5num. 5num. FIVE. F for father. $5num. Bracket A, X dollar MPG. bracket close, enter. Okay, so you will find that is the 10.40. That is the minimum value. And the maximum value is 33.9. Okay, and what is the median? Who can say?
19.20.
19.20, correct. And what is the first quartile? $15.35. Okay. And what is the third quartile? 22.80. Okay. So these are the 5 hinges. So that is the statistics and this is the graph. Now you write down box plot. Bracket X dollar MPG. Then tilde sign.
Sir, what sign, sir?
Tilde.
Okay.
Above tab in your keyboard. Below escape,
Sir,
we will find the
yes,
tilde
yes,
sign.
Yes, sir, got it. So this one?
Yeah. Now you write down X dollar VS. Bracket close. Enter. Okay. So that is your data. So that is the classified data. Classification based upon the VS. So VS is your independent variable. Okay. Is it clear? Now you can do the t-test. T.test. Bracket VS, sorry, X dollar MPG. Tilde X dollar VS. Bracket close. Enter. So you will find your t-test is highly significant. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Hello. This is your t-test. And this test shows that your p-value highly significant. And the group 0, that is when the VS is 0, MPG mean was 16.61. And when the VS is 1, MPJ is 24.56. Is it clear? Hello. Okay. Now you write par, PAR, par. Bracket. M F rho equal to C for cat, bracket 1, 2. No. Starting bracket.
Square bracket, sir, I'll give.
Not the close bracket.
Oh, starting bracket. After C.
1, 2. Then bracket. Then another bracket. Enter. What does it mean? It means you have made the partition of your plot area 1 row and 2 columns. Okay. Now we have to find out, we have to check the two data sets, both MPG and the VS. So now you write down plot, bracket, $X MPG. Bracket close. Enter. Okay. Now you write down plot $X VS. Enter. What you get?
So that there are a lot of number of outliers in yes.
No, this is not the outlier.
Okay.
Either the score will be 0 or 1.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Okay. So now you can find out the plots. Okay. Two plots. One is the plot of categorical variable Another plot is the metric variable. Okay, now you write down plot bracket $x MPG comma $x VS bracket close, enter. Okay, now you write MPG cut bracket, no, sorry, MPG cut equal to cut, CUT cut, bracket MPG, sorry, bracket $x MPG comma breaks BREAKS equal to 2 comma level LABELS labels equal to C bracket within double inverted comma low comma within double inverted comma high, low then comma then double inverted comma high bracket close, enter. ও আরেকটা ব্র্যাকেট হবে, ইউ রাইট ব্র্যাকেট, নো 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 আর হবে না, ওখানটায় হবে না, আর ওই প্লাসের পরে একটা ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে দাও, এন্টার দাও। ওকে, নাও ইউ রাইট ডাউন MPG cut, enter. Okay, is it clear? Breaks equal to 2 means mean is the cut point. Mean or median, that is the cut point. So now you write down.
Excuse me, sir.
Now you write down table, 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 bracket, MPG cut, comma, $x VS, bracket close, enter. Got it? when VS is 0, okay, MPG cut is low. And when VS is 1, MPG cut is high. That means VS has some effect on the MPG. So now you write down chi-square dot test. CHISQ dot TEST bracket table bracket MPG cut comma $X VS bracket close. Enter.
So one more bracket will be there, I think.
One more. Enter. Yeah, so chi-square also significant. How is the class? So by using the both metric and the non-metric approach, I have taught you how do you study the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. Okay? Any question? Hello? Rupali?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Sir, why is it written in the last that chi-square approximation may be incorrect?
Oh, that is, they are writing, that is, you don't, because if the expected frequency is less than 5, then you must be very cautious about the chi-square. But here expected frequency is not the less than 5. So you don't worry in the current situation.
Okay, sir.
Madhusudan, Raju, any question? I think everybody has understood. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please close your hands. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So whatever the things today I have done, that is based upon the VS data. Okay. Tomorrow you will submit with the another data, that is AM. AM also 01 type. So you can work on the AM. Okay. And then you will compare, that is whose effect maximum, AM effect or the VS effect on the MPG. Okay. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow again we'll sit together.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Rama, is it okay?
Sir.